Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go for our 15-second autonomous period as these robots attempt to score coral and algae for extra points. 2 red robots off that starting line and 59.03 for Blue Alliance scoring into that level 1 trough. All blue robots moved out of the starting line. That should be enough to give them an extra ranking point for their autonomous efforts. Blue taking a lead here early in the match. Let's see what red has to say about it as the robots attempt to score up onto the 4th level of the reef. 4181 coming in for the Blue Alliance, looking to move some of those coral out of the reef, some of those algae out of the reef so that the coral can be scored. Their alliance partners, 59.03 going in for a level 4 coral score. Each one of those is worth 5 points during this teleoperated period. Looks like Talk Nerdy to me is trying to scoop up one of those algae. Let's see if they're able to pick it up and score it. On Red Alliance, 81.22, able to score up onto the 3rd level of the reef. There, their alliance partners, 26.54 Polar Rams, looking to score up onto the 4th level. You'll notice that many of these robots have appendages that are able to extend from short all the way up to 8 feet in the air to try to get the coral onto the higher levels of the reef. 46.93's human player able to score an algae there from the processor into the barge. That's worth 4 points for their alliance. We've got a pretty tied up game here as 40 seconds are left in the match. Looks like both teams are going to try to pull out a few more coral and algae. On Blue Alliance, we've got some spinning robots here, but they're all able to maintain control. Looks like 25-26. Crimson Robotics is going to go to score an algae into their net. We've hit the last 20 seconds of the match. Multiple of these robots are going to attempt to climb onto these cages. 81-22 Mechanical. Mustache is able to take onto a deep cage for 12 points here on the Red Alliance. Let's see what Blue is going to respond with. That's your match. Official scores coming shortly. Fish tells us Red wins! Red taking the match 97 to Blue's 82. Both alliances able to score an extra ranking point. Red picking up an extra barge ranking point. Blue picking up an extra